I guess I'm gonna have to busk it now. I always try and do some different things that I've not practiced. I can't concentrate. And I'm getting that hum thing again going on. A little awkward. We're going to do some wonderful songs. I'd like to actually, I'd like to sing a song and dedicate it to John. And I'd like to do something because he meant so much to me. And part of the great opportunity I have is going around the world. And I've been able to touch millions and millions of people's lives, and as he has. And as you do this for a long, long period of time, you discover how many places you've been and people that you've met and those that you've lost and those that we've forgotten, but not forgotten. But sometimes we get a chance to reflect upon it. And other than the cold I'm having right now, I hope you will forgive the vocal interpretation. But let's do this. This one is for my dear old friend John, wherever you might be, my friend.
There are places I remember all my life. Some have changed, some forever, not for better. Some gone, some remain. All these places have their new moments with people and friends. Still can recall. I know I'll often stop and think about them in my life. I love you more. These friends and brothers, there's no one compared with you. And these memories lose their meaning when I think of something new. No, I'll never lose affection for people and friends I still can recall. I know I'll often stop and think about them in my life. I love you more. For I know I'll never lose affection for people and friends I still can recall. I know I'll often stop and